Hello, I'm Mr. McMoyle. I'm the physics teacher here at Timpview. I've been here for, this will be my 27th year, if I've counted correctly. I just wanted to introduce myself briefly and answer what is usually the most popular question, and that's about how my class is graded. I use standards-based grading, which means there's a standard, and then they take a test on each one of those standards in my class. And those tests, those assessments, are the only thing that counts on their grade. There's an easy way to tell if it's an assessment or not. And if it's an assessment, it will be out of 5 points. If it's not an assessment, then it won't be out of 5 points. And so only those things out of 5 will count on the student's grades. All the other assignments that you see in PowerSchool, they're just practice. They're to get ready for those assessments. We put them in there so that way we can see, I can see, the students can see, parents, if you want to see, you can look, you can see how they might be doing, what they might need to improve on or might need practice on before that test. So that's what they're in there for. But they don't go into the grade. Matter of fact, they're in a totally separate category, so they never factor into the grade at all. They don't even have to be eliminated from it. So just those assessments go. Now also with those assessments, all of them can be retaken. They're all out of 5, and the kids can retake them if they want to. In order to do that, they have to have all their work for that unit turned in and graded. A 0 doesn't count as a grade. They've got to have a score on it. Once that's done, then there's some extra problems. And those problems are organized by each one of those objectives that we talked about earlier. And each one of those objectives for the test. So they will only take that question that goes to that objective. So if they only missed one objective, then they can take just that objective instead of all the questions or all the objectives for that unit. If they missed them all, they can retake them all. But they can decide how they want to do that. And they do those extra problems for whichever objectives they're going to retake. And then we grade them and we go over, get them any help that they may need before they take that test, and then they'll take that test and they can retake it as many times as they want to or can before the term ends when we took that. So that's usually what the biggest question that I answer the most during parent-teacher conferences. But if you need something else, please feel free, make an appointment for parent-teacher conferences, or email me, call me. We can talk and set up whatever we might need to. Thank you.